Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn on game mode on iPhone. So game mode is a feature introduced in iOS 18 and that it enhances your gaming experience by prioritizing the system resource for games, reducing the background activities and minimizing interruption. And here's a quick guide on how to enable game mode on iPhone. So the first ways at which you can enable the game mode is automatic activation. And the automatic activation is when you launch a game on your iPhone and you will see a game mode on notification at the top of the screen on top the starting a game. Then the manual control via the control center is while playing a game, swipe down from your top right corner to access the game center. Then tap the name of the game display at the top to expand the game mode option. Then you can now toggle the game mode on or off according to your preference. And here's the benefit of the game mode. It actually optimizes your performance, and also it reduces interruption, it enhances audio and responsiveness, and a lot more like that. And here's the keynote that game mode is available on devices running on iOS 18 or later. To update your iPhone, go to the settings and click on general, then click on system settings to update your phone. Thank you. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this.